Hey, it's Bill at Immaculate Paint Protection. You're here because you want to know how much paint protection film costs. Well, today we'll tell you that. Paint protection film costs anywhere from $200 to well over $10,000. So with that said, you want to know what you're buying, why you're buying it, and you want to make sure you're buying it from the right source. If you're on our website right now, all the pricing here is on the website at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com. Let's get you all the information you need. Spend the next couple of minutes with me before you wind up getting a quote from somebody else and you wind up in somebody else's sales funnel. Paint protection film is a clear polyurethane film. It goes on the car much like your screensavers, can stop all the rock chips and stone chips. How much paint protection film do you need to buy? Not everybody needs to spend $10,000. It's about how much of the vehicle you want to protect. Paint protection film is expensive. The craftsmanship is expensive. The time involved is expensive. So you want to get your hands on the best material possible. Here at our shop, we use the SunTech paint protection film. We've got a 5-year, 10-year, and a 12-year warranty. The 12-year film is our best-selling film because it has a ceramic coating infused in it. So most people are looking for ceramic coating when they really want paint protection film. With our 12-year SunTech reaction film, we give you the best of both worlds. The high-quality paint protection film company, they're going to certify, they're going to make sure that the installers are doing a good job. If something does go wrong, then you have two options. The backing of a high-quality installer, a high-quality installation shop, and then you also have the backing of a high-quality brand-name film. Whether I'm working with expensive material or cheap material, my time is all the same. I want to maximize my time. I want to do the highest quality job I can for my clients. That's how you're going to win if you come to Immaculate Paint Protection. So this is a professional job. Can you do this DIY, or can you go to some other shop that just, starting off on it? Probably not. You're not going to get the best results. I know at the start of this, it was very, very difficult to learn. So if you think you're going to do DIY, if you think you're going to get something done for half price or a third of the price, watch out. You're going to get set up for a bad day there. Your cars are expensive. You want your cars to look good. That's why you want a high quality job done. So the other thing you're paying for is you're paying for that experience, and you're paying a couple extra dollars for the assurance that you're going to get the job done right. A thorough prep process should be included in the paint protection film price. The overhead here in the shop, it includes the equipment that we're using. It includes the insurances, it includes the taxes, on and on and on. All the small things that people forget about that it takes when you're running a small business here. It's just not raw material and paying some guy $50 to slap this stuff on your car. At the start of the video, I said between $200 and $10,000. Let me tell you where most people land here. Most people wind up buying our full front end package, which is the full bumper, full hood, full fenders, mirrors. You don't have to do the full vehicle. You're not spending $10,000 or more, and that's going to give you the most bang for your buck, the highest return on investment for you to protect your new vehicle. That's where probably 95, 98% of all the rock chips, stone chips occur coming down the vehicle. For the people that want to do the full vehicle, that's because they have a super high-end car, or they're just very, very particular about their vehicle, so it's not necessarily price or value. It's what makes sense for the client and what they want to spend their money on. Now, if the full front end of rockers is outside of your budget, no install intended, you can step down in the material grade. That's why we have the 10-year and the 5-year options available. Or you can get less coverage. So we have a partial front end package, which is the full bumper, part of the hood, part of the fenders. Now, on a Corvette like this, you're not going to do the partial because it's just going to look silly. You see our hassle-free haggle-free prices, you want to move on, hit the quote button. We're going to send you an automated email so you know we got your quote. Within 24 to 48 hours, I'll send you a personalized email giving you the next available install date. We'll send you a text message just to let you know the email is there for you. If you want to have a conversation, if you have some other questions that we didn't answer in the email or these videos, let me know. We'll have a conversation. We'll help make sure you understand what you're buying. We'll help you decide what's best for you, for your vehicle, and we'll help you through the sales process.